Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics so the repair steps matter, update iOS, and inspect the TrueDepth area. Once done, remove case and any screen protector because even tiny obstruction breaks the dot projector or infrared sensor. Make sure ambient light is moderate, not blinding sunlight or total dark. That affects enrollment. Restart the iPhone to clear temporary sensor faults, and then go straight to Face ID settings so you can test and continue with guided fixes. You will now reset and recalibrate the system because corrupted biometric data often causes failures. First, reset Face ID to clear stored profiles, then begin a full setup while slowly rotating your head a full 180 degrees. This trains the true depth mapping. If it repeatedly fails, add an alternate appearance to capture different looks, or enroll in 2 passes using small 1/2 turns. That helps if you wear glasses or hats. Make sure nothing covers the sensors during every attempt. Finally, you tackle deeper causes and prepare for service if needed. Test Face ID in a minimal app environment. Use the Apple Support Diagnostics to check the TrueDepth Camera status. If software issues persist, back up your iPhone, erase all content, and restore as new. This rules out software corruption. Make sure to try setup again after restore. If the camera still fails, schedule an Apple or authorized service visit. Bring purchase info and note any physical damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.